Hello, you welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Olabisi Ashishana, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. I want to say you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. In today's video, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing, a step-by-step guide into your journey into affiliate marketing. I'll be talking about the introduction to affiliate marketing, the pros and the cons, and I'll also be talking about different types of affiliate marketing and how you can get started for yourself and start doing well. What is affiliate marketing? In the layman's language, affiliate marketing simply means an affiliate getting paid a commission by recommending a company's product to a buyer. That is, as an affiliate, you're an intermediary. You're recommending a product to a buyer, and once the buyer make a sale, you're going to get your commission. It's very simple. Let me give an example. Like, okay, your friend sells wig, so you can say, okay, please, can I affiliate for your product and get 2% commission, right? And you'll be surprised that you can actually affiliate for her and get 2% commission. And all you should be doing is just posting the pictures. You don't have the product, just posting the pictures of the wig on your status, and before you know it, people start asking you about it. Then you start selling. Then you get to earn yourself 2% or 5% commission, depending on your agreement with your friend. Once every sales is made, easy, right? You don't need to stock up. You don't need to have the goods. You don't need to buy the goods. Just affiliate and get your commission. Interesting, right? Yes, very interesting. That's how sweet affiliate marketing is. So types of affiliate marketing, we have some people sell physical products, some people sell digital products. Selling physical products has its own cons, like has its own disadvantages. Like, you have to worry about the delivery man. You have to worry about, okay, will the pay on delivery, will the person love the product? I'm getting to the person, will the person agree to pay you the money, or will there be another will there be another talk, or with the person's all those issues? I've transferred the money, I've not sent the money, I usually will transfer, all those houses, right? So and with physical products, you can the commissions you get is very low. Do you understand? Is roughly between 2% to 5%. Most of the goods you say, okay, I ordered from Jumia, I ordered from Gigi. Don't be surprised. These are people's affiliate links that you're clicking on, and they're getting commission, right? And Jumia just do all the shipping, do all the delivery for you. Why? They have gotten what? They have gotten their commission. So that's the way it was. A lot of people are affiliated for Konga, for Jumia, and you can get started for yourself too, right? You can get started for yourself. It's just that the percentage is just between 2% to 5%, and that's the discouraging aspect. And that's why anything, I'm going to recommend digital products, because with digital products you can get as high as 60%. You can get as high as 60%. Imagine a product selling for 30,000, you're getting 60% commission. That's 18,000. All you need to is 20%. All you need to is to sell just 20 products per month. Even sell lesser, let's say 10 products. That's about what? 180k you're making for yourself in a month. And before you know it, you begin to scale higher, right? So why am I teaching this? Because I want you to succeed, and because I have a lot of people, a lot of hard worker in my circle, but with little or nothing to show for it. There are a lot of people working so hard, dedicated and focused, but there's little or nothing to show for it. So I want you to succeed. I want to start doing something for yourself. I want to get started with something for yourself. Affiliate marketing is very interesting. It's very interesting. So advantage of affiliate marketing is cost effective. Like I explained earlier, you can start with little or nothing. You have a friend that sells wig, you can affiliate for your friend and start getting 2% or 5% commission. But however, you can start with affiliate markets. I mean, maximum, let me even say maximum is like 50k. It's very effective. It's not a business that you have to wait to like 500k or 1 million before before you start making, and before you start the business. Do you understand? You don't have to wait till you have much money. But it's maximum of 50k you're going to you're going to get started, right? Let's say, okay, you have to register on a platform to promote their courses. Okay, with that, and maybe you have to run your ads, or which there are organic ways you can also outrun, get leads, and you can make money for yourself. And once wide reach, you can reach a wide audience with a lot of people on TikTok. We got a lot of YouTube, Instagram. If you're not marketing on TikTok today, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Like, right? You are leaving a lot of money on the table. So you have to if you're just playing with your TikTok, all you do is play video yourself, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So there's a lot of money to make from TikTok, from Instagram, from Facebook, a lot of money. So you just get a platform that you're used to, you're familiar with, and make everything about power. So trust. Once you have a follower, people tend to buy from you. Have sales start flooding in. Scalable. Within 1 year, it's very scalable. Within 1 year, you begin to scale higher. Also, yes, it also has its advantages. The advantage is more to that of the company's side. Like they don't have control over what you promote. It might be inferior, it's more tilted to that of the company's side than to you. So affiliates, we have a lot of advantage. So various type of digital affiliate market. We have cost per sale, cost per lead, cost per action, cost per mail, cost per click, cost per install. This cost per mail, cost per click, cost per install is mostly used by app developers. But for the purpose of this training, we focus on just three: cost per sale, cost per lead, and cost per action. What is cost per sale? Like I said, nothing happens until you make a sale. You get a commission once you make a sale. And there are a lot of platforms you can register on. We have platforms like Stakeout. We have when you go to Google, just type in Expertnia. We have platform like Expertnia. Come to their dashboard and go to Marketplace. Although I'll be leaving the link in the description below, so you can see a lot of products for you to affiliate for, and you can see 50% commission, 45 crypto success, 45,000, 50% commission. So that's over 20k, 50 this 40k, this 50% commission, that's 20k in sales. Just imagine selling just 5, even just 5 per week. Okay, let me say what scenario you're selling 5 per month, right? That's 100k with your phone, with your WhatsApp. So it's a very interesting. It's a very, 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 very interesting business model of Stakeout. Like, so I'll be dropping the link. So what if I tell you that there are also other type of affiliate marketing that you don't have to wait until you sell before you start making commission. You're excited, right? You don't really have to wait until you sell before you start making commission. You can start making commission when people take an action, like sign up, like email. I mean, and you know this model, this cost per action model, they tend to even pay you more. They pay you more commission. Imagine getting started with a forest complaint, and they're offering to pay you a whooping $700 per person per person that takes action on the platform. Let's say, okay, let me to buttress my points. Let me go back to CPA Dollar Academy. So this is a course on Expertnia, CPA Dollar Academy. You know what they can pay you. You see, this course is talking about how to register with forest complaints as a CPA affiliate, and you get good money for yourself, and you make good money for yourself, and you make good money for yourself. Look at this capture. CPA up to USSD 700 per client. Now that's 350k per customer. Do you understand? So CPA is another interesting model of the market that they pay you more time because they believe that anybody that can subscribe to them, like a broker complaint, they can give them $100. We continue to stay with them, and your own commission is just one thing. You think they are crazy? They are not. They actually know what they are doing. Your own commission is just one off, but they will keep getting money from this same person continuously. So eventually, in the long run, they will make more than what they have paid you. So CPA affiliate marketing is very interesting, and you can also get started with CPA Grip. When you go to your dashboard, you see CPA Grip. So you come to offer tools. You come to offer here. You come to offer. So you can see a lot of offers. People are doing this. People are really doing it. You can see a lot of offers for yourself. A lot of offers, and you can decide to sort it. You have to sort it based on, let's say, United Kingdom, right? Offers for United Kingdom. So it's loading. You can see it has changed. Those ones are for Nigeria, but you can get offers. Subscribe to Boxer Shorts, $4, $1. So you can get started with this one for free. You can get started with this one for free. I'll be leaving all the links in the comment section, so you can click on the links and start doing something for yourself, right? So let's go back. So apart from cost per lead, we also have our cost per lead. This is the most interesting aspect. In fact, I love this. The customer does not necessarily have to buy before you get paid. It does not necessarily have to take any action before you get paid, right? Like I explained here now. Okay, let's say Netflix has a CPA deal, and for every person you bring, you're going to get paid $20 per lead. Some pay as high as $50 per lead for every person. Just okay. Netflix is trying a free trial for the customers. Just sign up. Just enroll for the free trial. You don't necessarily have to pay. Just that after the free trial, just enroll for the free trial, and the person, right? Okay, let me enroll for the, but you are getting paid, right? You are getting paid. It might just be email sign up at times. You okay, just put in your email. And okay, I'm actually affiliating for an English platform. Like, okay, if you want to understand English, so who am I targeting with? Parents. There's a weight loss program. For every sign up, you get paid $10. They don't necessarily have to take any action. I know you'll be more interested in this, right? So just you can get started for yourself. Like I've always said earlier, go to Google. You see, I just went to Google and I click on pay per lead affiliate programs, and there are lots and lots of them. Pay per lead affiliate program. You can see SEMrush. This SEMrush, they are paying you. SEMrush pays $10 commission per trial, and there are a lot. Share a sale. You have commission rate $150 per merchant. A lot and a lot. FreshBooks is offering you $10. Then they are offering you $25. A lot and a lot. Lead affiliate marketing. But one thing I want you to make sure is that you make sure you read their terms and conditions very, very well before you register with anyone. So I'll also be dropping the link. For you to get started for yourself. And like they said, it's always good to follow who knows route, right? So for you to get started for yourself and start doing something interesting for yourself. So, summary of everything. I hope I'm able to take you step by step on the best step for you to take when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I hope you've learned a lot. You've gotten value from this video. So if you've gotten value from this video, can you do what to subscribe and press the notification bell? Kindly do what to subscribe and press the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten a lot of value from it. Give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section affiliate marketing, so it can trigger YouTube algorithm, so they know that we are talk about affiliate marketing in this place. And also you can do what to share to your family, to friends that you think might necessarily want this video and want to get started for themselves. Thank you and God bless you.